Friends, the web is getting weird, and that's a good thing. Back in the 90s and the early 2000s, the web was a pretty rad, literally radical place. It was like there was no rules. There was just the Wild West. Now it became more, corporate, clean, minimalist. We kind of lost touch of the crazy, weird, obscure, peculiar design styles. And I feel like that's something we need to revisit. That's exactly what we're going to do right now. I found 10 weird websites and I'm going to react to them and see what we think. Is it good? Is it great? Can we learn something, or is it just pure joy? Let's go. We've got Lucy121 or Lucci121. Let's check it out. Ooh, I like that font. Big image. It's literally just big images so far. I'm not sure what the site's about. We're selling giant colorful rings. Oh, yeah, we literally are. That's what it is. Okay, I figured it out. You know what? I wouldn't call this. Oh, that's fun. Good example. Take your totally normal, appealing, minimal site, full screen. It's very minimal and simple here. This was a cool hero section, but then just doing this, it's a little nod to, hey, we're fun. We're fun. I like it. Up next, we got some Mouse Parallax Wonderland Wild Crazy stuff. This is an award-winning site with the 3 W's, and this was a site of the day. So as you can see, the only point of this site is to show off mouse effects in Wix Studio, because this was built in Wix Studio. So you could see, like, as we scroll down, we can see Alice from Alice in Wonderland is falling. Teapots and cups are flying up. She falls into the chimney of the roof. And then these doors, like, we can interact by moving the mouse. Yes. And we can open the lid. We go down into the clouds. We can see some creepy card things. All of this is a website, just using mouse effects and parallax effects. And of course, we've got the Cheshire cat creepily following our mouse. Very cool. Change your socks, add mouse parallax today in your Wix Studio site. That is super, super cool. We got Sprightly Creatives. Let's see, loud, vibrant, and wonderful. Let's check it out. So we've got now accepting clients, loud and groovy designs for loud and groovy brands, fun, noisy kind of mesh gradient in the background, bit of a parallax effect, fun. So, okay, so this is like a branding and design agency, a creative agency, brand, graphic web. We got 2 graphic designs here. So double the graphic design services. The average person sees 5,000 ads a day. Make sure yours effing counts. Cool. So yeah, this is like a fun, funky website. It's a little bit weird, but it's got strange font choices and like really small body text, long line lengths. But here's what's kind of neat is you can have your agency or your website for your portfolio look weird and do all of the wrong things, like break the rules. I'm sure that Sprightly Creatives don't make all of their websites funky and crazy. So yeah, like look at this. It's like nice branding, but not crazy. Like it's not unprofessional. Like it looks great. Great work. Sprightly Creatives, cool disco ball, groceries. Interesting. So a cool, weird website, fresh, interesting take on an agency site using some cool little elements, scrolly telling, animations, graphics, Treep Tours. It's got a fun mouse effects as I scroll, some interesting bubbles, hairy letters. Book a tour here. It's got a strawberry with like a funny button with like a bad design style. It's not even like a nice button. Scroll down. We make tours and experiences for cool peep. It blocks the text. So this is bad usability, technically. It's covering text that I want to be able to read. Tired of the same old tours that feel like deja vu? Us too. That's kind of neat, but it's also peculiar. I guess that's the point. Let's keep going. Oh, so check this out. When I scroll, it actually shows more of the text so I can see, okay, Mexico City. Bunch of neat little, effects here. We got a delicious looking margarita spinning. Fun. It's got, tacos. It's got cool pictures. It's all grainy and blurry, so it's like not even like high quality, high res. That's kind of neat. It's got a delicious looking taco on a corn tortilla shell. Very fun. Lots of spinny elements. You know what's neat about this is that it's crazy, wacky, wild, weird, but it's also got some order to it. It's not just like we're creating an art installation on the web. It's actually kind of selling something. And I think it's probably drawing more of the Gen Z crowd, or shall I say the Gen Z, the Zoomers. This is neat. Lots of really neat elements, cool animations, scrolling effects. There's scrolly telling. There's animated GIFs. crack open. What are we cracking open here? We got like fun cookies and desserts and treats and tacos and enchiladas. We've got Our Lady of Guadalupe. Pause. I'll make sure I got that right. Yeah, I was right. Really cool way of showing the tours and the experience. Like if you really wanted to experience Mexico City, is it? Mexico City in like a cool, fun, unique way, but also in like kind of a youthful, vibrant, funky way. The Treep Tours looks like it's your place to go. Let's check the next one. Moving on, Blux Studio. Quirky and sensible. Let's check it out. Let's leave it in Spanish. So this is fun. We've got this like astronaut flying around and you can move the astronaut with your mouse. Very, very good job. Oh, I love that the astronaut falls as you scroll. All of these elements are controllable with my mouse. Oh, and I can translate it right on the site. That's fun. So this site is also built on Wix Studio, and you have something called Wix Multilingual, and you can toggle through basically any language and it will auto translate your site. And right now, because I clicked on EN, I can now read it on Anglais. Look at this. This is great. This is a good example of like, hey, go ahead, be crazy, be wild, but also be professional so that I don't think you're not serious. Oh, this is great. This is probably my favorite so far. Cool effect. Oh my, that's an AI burger if I ever saw one, but cool. Look at this. Great work, but like interesting personal brand or brand for the agency itself makes it like a really appealing way of showing that you're fun, you're crazy, you're cool, but you can do good work. You could step up to the plate. Look at this, giving me seizure. Whoa, oh, daddy-o. About who is the mastermind behind this. Alvaro Agurto Cia, senior product designer, is available. Go check him out, bluxstudio.com. He did not pay me to do this. He did not pay me to do this, I promise this. Hey, Alvaro, I just shouted you out in the video. Invoice on the way. Oh, still rolling? Cut that. Make sure to cut that. Jokes, just jokes. I'm funny and crazy like these websites. I love it. I mean, honestly, this is probably my favorite site. I'm probably going to be reaching out to Alvaro for real and saying, hey friend, let's collaborate for real. I'm going to be reaching out, see if we can get this guy on an interview or something. Awesome. Next up, Ryan Haskins' online portfolio pushes every boundary of weird web design, solidifying his personal brand. Let's find out. Whoa, I'm looking at like the original internet here. Wow. And these like weird, ugly buttons, they spin and they go 3D, like pill style. Remember that? Can I scroll? Yes, I can. Sushi snob. I read that as Ushi knob. Internet food court. We got Kanye. We've got a crazy, we should probably put like a disclaimer seizure alert on the screen right now. I don't know what I'm looking at. I honestly don't know what I'm looking at. That's strange. What is happening? How did you do this? This is the weirdest site we've come across so far. Easily the weirdest site. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Are you a designer? Are you a artist? Are you all? Creative director from Los Angeles, California, freelancing career, lots of names. So Ryan's just like, I'm going to do what I want. Ryan's won the awards and Ryan's like, I'm going to do this right here because I can. So here's a perfect example of like, if you want to go crazy, you can. I think Ryan's earned it. I don't know if we can all pull this off, but what a site. Weird. Nasir Studio, let's check it out. Yeah, Pablo Picasso. What did I just do? What is happening? But hey, look, Nasir.studio, designed from some legit brands. So does real work, just has like a crazy portfolio. My eyes going bad here? What's happening? Is that blurry on purpose? Or is that, what? No, that can't be right. It's all blurry. It's all blurry on purpose. That's terrible. Okay, now, what? Oh, no. I don't know if that's supposed to happen or not. Is this a loading rendering issue? Or were you just like, I'm going to show you the text for a quick second and then make it blurry so it looks like you've got something wrong with your eyes. You need cataract surgery, old man. Can't read any of it. Can't read any of the dang website. And then just more seizures for all to enjoy. We got packages. Look at that. Interesting text, typography. Shows like, hey, we do websites all over the world. All of the yellow spots, we do websites. And all the other spots, you still need to hire Nasir.studio. And they love him. Let's go. Fun, crazy. I'm impressed and concerned. Are you okay? I hope so, because that was something. Ancient Drinks tells a story to introduce their new sports drink, Unapologetic Design. Let's see what's up. Yes, Yesterade Yesterade to slay today. Oh, like an ancient drink, like Yesterade, like Gatorade or Powerade or whatever aid. Yesterade. I get it. Took me a bit. Crazy Viking scroll. Look at this. We've got this happening. What's happening? I like the typography. I actually like this so far. I'm a little concerned about what the thing is. I don't know if I drink it, but cayenne and cardamom drink? What? I tried that mint and chili one though. The official refresher of ancient Persia. The sports drink of the Roman Empire. Fire up for the American. I love the typography. I love the copywriting. Obviously, this isn't the official sports drink for the Roman Empire, but what are you going to ask them permission? Like, they're gone. You can just do that. Look at this. Wow. I really like this. What? The drop caps. We got all this cool imagery and graphics and art and typography and like the hieroglyphs, fun scrolling effects. Ah, it's nice. I like it. This is great. Honestly, I am liking ancient web design, apparently. Okay, next up, we got Nonna's Pizza. Love pizza. We got a website going for my heart. Although, what in the heck is happening? Nonna's Pizza Napoletana Monday to Sunday. Oh, where are we here? We got a big empty tomato vine. I could smell it. I could almost smell it. Yep, smells like the garden. Nonna's Teeth and Tomatoes. Oh, cool. Fun little story. Fun typography. Hard on the eyes. I definitely am not going to read it, but I think it's a cool idea. Maybe there's a better font choice for this, but I get it's supposed to be weird, but I want a better font. Look at that big tomato. Oh, what is happening? Don't do that with your tomato. You know what this reminds me of? You know the Trolls movie? You know that like that poor troll who like wants to be good and she wants to be cute? It's like this tomato is kind of like that. I don't know, I kind of like it now. You should have made it so the eyes followed my mouse though. And that's it. That's the footer. Okay, you win actually. The footer is just a giant tomato. Oh, good, good, good. I love it. Okay, and Gucci. I didn't know I'd be going to a Gucci site. I don't think I've ever been on a Gucci site. That's broken. That's the most weird website I've come across. Is the broken website. Maybe it's spelled wrong, or maybe it was on purpose. Let's check out the Gucci vault. Okay, what are we doing? Align them all. What am I aligning? What? Oh, did I do it? Did I win? Did I win a Gucci? This is fun. This is a little game. It's cute. Thanks. Very good. So a couple tips to walk away from this is make the web weird again. You know, have some fun, be crazy, take all the rules and break them. But like, be respectful, honor the fact that you're trying to do something with your website. If you're just trying to be crazy and fun, that's cool. Feel free to do that. But if you're trying to sell something, book somebody, then you're gonna have to keep in mind usability practices and user experience. But you can do that while having some personality, throwing some crazy things in, like animations. You can use gradients, mesh gradients. You can use scrolly telling. You can use mouse effects. When you scroll and when you move the mouse, it can affect the elements. You can get big text. You can do hover effects. Take pictures with a film camera, or just like take a digital photo and put a filter on it to make it look like a film camera. Make your text blurry, apparently. That does the trick too. Or at the end of the day, maybe if you're Gen Z, this stuff comes naturally and you're like, I like ugly websites. I'm always digging at those Gen Zs, those Zoomers. Get out of here. Like the channel, subscribe to the viddies, and watch some more. Have a good day.